Welcome to Pente Spotlight, where we break down the biggest tech news in a way that actually makes sense. Today, everyone is convinced AI is wiping out jobs, but LinkedIn just looked at data from over 1 billion members and found something unexpected. I'm Emily, your "the data doesn't lie, but let's read it carefully" person.
And I'm Lucas, tech enthusiast and the guy who genuinely thought AI had already replaced half the workforce. Apparently, I've been catastrophizing again.
Just a little. So, LinkedIn's top legal and global affairs executive spoke at the Semaphore World Economy Summit this week and dropped some genuinely surprising findings. Yes, hiring is down about 20% since 2022, but when they dug into the data across industries like customer support, marketing, and admin, all the sectors everyone says AI is destroying, the impact simply wasn't there.
Which is wild because those are exactly the jobs everyone keeps saying AI will take first. And LinkedIn has an economic graph covering over 1 billion members. Companies, jobs, skills. It's basically a real-time X-ray of the entire global job market. If AI job displacement was happening, they'd see it.
So, what is causing the hiring decline? The executive pointed to something far less dramatic: rising interest rates. When borrowing gets expensive, companies slow down hiring. It's classic economics, not robots taking over.
Okay, so crisis averted? AI is not stealing jobs and we can all relax?
Not so fast, because here's where it gets genuinely important. Even if jobs aren't disappearing, they are changing. Over the last few years, the skills needed to do the average job have already shifted by 25%. And with AI accelerating, LinkedIn expects that number to hit 70% by 2030.
70%. So even if you keep the same job title, nearly everything about how you do that job could be different within 4 years.
Exactly. As the executive put it, even if you're not changing jobs, your job's changing on you. That's the real story here. It's not mass unemployment, it's mass transformation. And the people who adapt their skills will thrive.
Which honestly makes upskilling the most important investment anyone can make right now, whether you're a student, mid-career, or a seasoned professional.
Couldn't agree more. Yeah, that's all for today's Pente Spotlight. AI isn't stealing your job today, but it is reshaping what your job looks like tomorrow.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and stay curious. Start learning that new skill today. Your future self will thank you. Thanks so much for listening. See you on the next Spotlight.